Hi guys, welcome to the channel Tamil Tradition to Marathi. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon. Today's recipe is favorite for everyone, that's biryani. I don't say this is a Hyderabadi biryani or South Indian biryani. This is my style of biryani and even everybody would love this taste. Try it once guys. This is exactly the restaurant style replication. So let's start our cooking guys. First I have taken a basmati rice of 300 grams and soaked it for 20 minutes and I'm cooking that with some whole spices and cook it for 5 minutes in the high flame. We don't need to cook the rice completely. Once the rice is cooked up to 80%, strain off the water and apply some oil and keep it aside. I have taken a handful of rice and cooked with the orange food color. So now coming to the marination part of the chicken, I have added a half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some curd. For binding, I am going to add this rice flour, gram flour and corn flour a little bit. And the masalas are turmeric, for coloring just a Kashmiri chili and a red chili and some garam masala. Just marinate them for at least 10 to 15 minutes. So let's start doing the biryani. Add some whole masalas and I have chopped one big size onion and for green chilies and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry them all in the onion until the raw smell goes off. After the ginger garlic, onions and everything are cooked, I am adding a 1 big size tomato and a handful of pudina and some salt. Next comes the powder masala part. I have taken a 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder and a 1 teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon of garam masala. As we have already added some masalas to the chickens, I have reduced the masalas a little bit. If you want little more spicy, add 1 more half teaspoon of chili powder. Next add 2 teaspoons of curd. Mash it well as everything mixed together. Now let's fry out these marinated chickens. To give the special taste and flavor to the fleshes in the biryani, I am doing it like this. Roast the chickens and add it to the masala directly. This will make your chickens juicy and softer from outside and the taste will be to the next level. After adding all the roasted chickens, squeeze half of the lemon and add some water and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. In the meanwhile, we will prepare the star ingredient for biryani. That's fried onions. Add these fried onions into the cooking masala. Do anyone feel the smell of the biryani now? If so, tell it in the comment section. So the base for the biryani is ready. So now time for to arrange the rices. Add a handful of pudina on the top. If you have the leftover fried onions, add them also. Now cover the lid and take off the whistle and cook in the low flame only for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your biryani is ready. I have transferred it to a clay pot and my yummy chicken salna is also ready. After taking out from the cooker, mix it slightly. I just paired this biryani with the raita and egg roast guys. So this biryani is the best replica for the restaurant style biryani. So try it once and tell your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. Do subscribe to my channel, and the next video is going to be the chicken salna. To never miss that, click on the bell icon, and if you like the video, share it with your friends guys. Thank you so much.